Hello friends! It is a lovely spring day. It is the 1st of May and it is my dear friend Ellen's birthday, and so we are making a lovely dinner for her, and we are having some maple flower fritters. So today we went out looking for morels, and we have some lovely morel mushrooms that we'll be having with the lovely dinner, and then we have all of these maple flowers that we collected from the trees, and making fritters by dunking them in a little bit of egg with flour mixture. This is flour, cornmeal, and salt, and then cooking them in some bear fat. Here goes something. Fat is frying hot. Let's get it. All right, dunking in the stuffs. Plenty of eggy goo, plenty of delicious floury whatnot, and yeah. All right, let's get another one going. Any way you can get more wild foods into your diet, very good thing, I say.
And some coffee in the back. That sounds good.
Yeah, a little evening coffee. Why not?
Yeah, who wants to sleep? Not me.
You have to drive tomorrow.
I want to sleep.
That one went in. Great. Ah, thank you. And
thank you, Ellen.
Birthday lady right here. 37 years young, wise.
They do poop up a little.
They poofed.
Good.
Yeah, they're beautifully poofy.
It's a real egg.
Yeah. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. This is going to be really nice. And maple flower fritter. Hooray! And then I figured the last of the flowers we can just dredge all up in here, just like that.
Oh, then put your egg in it. Curious how the flowers taste raw.
Yeah, I ate that one that was dangling from that spider web.
Very mild.
Yeah? Just kind of vegetative.
I'm getting a little nectar.
Yeah.
It reminds me of manzanita flowers a little bit.
Yeah.
Less tannic,
nice.
but that same kind of nectar. Super sweet.
So, I didn't get footage of us sitting down and eating our delicious dinner because we were so excited about the food that I didn't even stop to think. So we had delicious wild-caught salmon and morels and our maple flower fritters and probably some fresh greens. So it was delicious. And there's been a bit of a delay in getting this posted because I'm just learning video editing, and it is really challenging. But I'm starting to get it dialed. So maple flowers are pretty much past at this point, but I wanted to let you know that there are all kinds of other wonderful edible flowers that you can use the same technique with. You can use elder flowers like this beautiful bush behind me, squash blossoms, violets, calendula, which is going to be a little bit strong flavored if you leave the bottom part on, but you can use just the petals. So look into what other edible flowers there might be around you, and there's all kinds of ways to eat a bunch of different wild foods that you might not have thought about. And you are what you eat, right? So why not eat delicious, beautiful spring flowers? Oh my gosh, kind of a no-brainer. So thanks for tuning in, and keep paying attention as I put out all kinds of more lovely videos for how to get more wild, handmade things into your life.